is the compilation of mind, body, and soul. Yoga isn't about self improvement, but about self acceptance. In the world of hectic schedules and never ending workload, it is important for an individual to practice yoga on a daily basis. Today, the entire world remains excited to keep a healthy body, and it is the very first requirement to be happy in life. And the one thing that echoes in mind and heart to remain fit is yoga. This 6 days workshop on physical fitness is an effort to arouse some awareness. Now, I would like to call Miss Ananya Banerjee to take this evening forward. Over to you, Ananya.
Thank you so much, Harshika. It is indeed my cachet and prestige to introduce the esteemed guest and counselor for today's session of Vibe and Flow Yoga, Dr. Anjali Bhatnagar. It is a matter of gratification for our team to start the colossal and magnificent session under her guidance. Dr. Anjali Bhatnagar received her yoga training from Shivanand Yoga Vedanta Center and has been teaching fitness for over 10 years. She is certified to teach gentle, hut, and therapeutic yoga. Dr. Bhatnagar is currently serving as the Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, Sri Aurobindo College. And additionally, she is passionate about teaching yoga. She focuses it as her divine mission to offer the benefits and welfare of yoga to the mankind on an enormous scale. Ma'am, your prodigious dedication and exceptional mentorship is a source of inspiration for all of us. Thank you for joining us today. Before proceeding with the session, I would request the audience to wear comfortable clothing and sit in a clean and airy space to perform yoga. As it is very aptly quoted in Bhagavad Gita, yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, and to the self. With this, I would now invite Dr. Anjali Bhatnagar to carry forward the session with her brilliant skills of yoga. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harshika and Ananya, for such a beautiful introduction. I'm thankful to all of you. I'm thankful to Sri Aurobindo College, our principal, Dr. Vipin Kumar Agarwal, the NSS team, and their captain, Meenakshi Chaudhary, for giving me this beautiful opportunity that I can share whatever little I know about yoga. And may I say, जो भी मैंने सोचा था intro में, वो सब आपने already बोल दिया. So I'm like thinking what more to say. Humans are rational beings. We never trade for less, always in search of more. And one elusive concept that we strive for and that inspires us all the time is happiness, the driving force. And different people have different connotations of what happiness is. And throughout life, mankind is striving for happiness, in pursuit of happiness. But I think the most important ingredient for happiness is health, as aptly mentioned by Harshika. So how can you be happy? You need to be healthy. That's because कितनी भी खुशी मिल जाए जीवन में, अगर सेहत ठीक नहीं है, we cannot definitely enjoy it. And what is health? I think there are many states of health. One being physical. Next level is the mental, or deeper, the intellectual and the emotional, and then the spiritual level. Physical to cover हो जाता है हमारे diet or exercise से, which is the first stage. And then, of course, the mental, which requires more rigors. And the spiritual is somewhere down the lane. We all are progressing towards it, knowingly or unknowingly. The NSS team has done a beautiful job. ये जो इन्होंने 5-day event organize किया है, it is covering most of the important areas. It's covering diet, it's covering exercise, as well as mental well-being and relaxation. So, I was reading this book, Yog Makaran, The Essence of Yoga, by Thirumalai Krishnamacharya ji. And उसमें भी यही लिखा है, और भगवद गीता में भी यही लिखा है कि for whom there is no excess or less in food, in rest, and in activity alone can reach the state of योग. कहने का मतलब जिसका शरीर, तन, मन, धन सब कुछ बैलेंस में है, वही योग के रास्ते पर चल सकता है, उसी को ही योग प्राप्त है. और मैं थोड़ा सा कहना चाहूंगी बिकॉज आई बिलीव देयर मोर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हियर टुडे विद अस. कितने लोगों को मैंने सुना है, पढ़ा है, देखा है, महसूस किया, सब कहते हैं योग बड़ी बोरिंग चीज है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. बट बिलीव मी, वंस यू स्टेप इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ ऑ एंड अमेजमेंट. इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. ये तो हुई ये बात. और आगे चलते हैं. आज मैंने जो पहले जो योग कराया था वो ज्यादा हठ योग पे फोकस था, जो हमारी पुरानी सीरीज थी मंथ ऑफ मई में. वहां पर हठ योग से मैं थोड़ा सा बताना चाहूंगी. हठ मीन्स वेयर वी आर होल्डिंग पोजेस. जैसे हठी इंसान जो होल्ड करता है, स्टिक करता है. वेयर जो मैं आज कराने वाली हूँ, दैट इज कॉल्ड अष्टांग योग. और उसी से एक और उद्धृत हुआ है विच इज कॉल्ड विन्यासा. These are slightly different forms of yoga, जो कि modern, more recent and modern forms of yoga है, और जो कि western world में काफी प्रचलित हैं. साथ में भी ऐड करना चाहूंगी, मैंने कुछ अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोला कि मैं विन्यासा या अष्टांग करवाने जा रही हूँ, तो बड़े मेरे से नाराज हुए कि वो भी कोई योगा है. लाइक मैं खुद जब एक्सपोज हुई इन सब से, तो मुझे भी लगता था क्या इन्होंने योगा को बदल दिया है, ये तो जिम योगा हो गया, इस तरह से विचार उठते थे. बट मुझे लगा जस्ट to make it very relevant today for today's youth, कि वो भी योगा को इम्बाइब कर सकें और उसको प्यार कर सकें, उसके लिए ये वाली जो फॉर्म है, आई थिंक इनिशियली वो काफी बेहतर है. एंड वी मूव ऑन टू दिस. मैंने काफी कुछ कहा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी एंड लेट्स गेट ऑन टू द मैट प्लीज. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड. और मैंने कहा था कि पहले एक दिन पहले थोड़ी स्ट्रेचेस वगैरह करने, सब तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. सो बीच में जो भी क्वेश्चंस आते रहेंगे, सो जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं दे कैन प्रॉब्ली, अगर क्वेश्चंस बीच में स्टार्ट होते हैं तो दे कैन से 1 or 2 क्वेश्चंस इन बिटवीन, जो मैं साथ ही साथ हैंडल कर लूंगी. वी विल स्टार्ट बाय सिटिंग इन वज्रासन. सो यू फोल्ड योर नीज, जस्ट सिट कंफर्टेबली ऑन योर हील्स, हैंड्स ऑन योर थाइज, सिट अप टॉल, शोल्डर्स रोल बैक. कई लोगों को इसमें दर्द होता है, स्पेशली एंकल्स में, बट किसी भी चीज को शुरू में करते हैं तो दर्द ही होता है, एंड इवेंचुअली यू गो पास्ट द पेन. एंड दैट इज व्हाट योगा टीचर्स अस, गोइंग पास्ट द पेन, गोइंग पास्ट द सफरिंग्स. एंड वी जस्ट क्लोज आवर आईज फॉर अ ब्रीफ मोमेंट, inhaling and exhaling. This is important for us to connect to ourselves. मैं बात कर रही थी मेंटल वेलबींग की, और मेंटल वेलबींग में some of my students also asked me, ma'am, please talk a little bit about mental well-being. I would just say, even for the session that's going to follow right now, there are 2 things. One is attention, the other is awareness. Attention means I'm paying attention कि मेरे रूम में इस समय कहाँ लाइट्स हैं, पीछे एक सुंदर सी लड़की सर के बल खड़ी है. I'm speaking both in English and in Hindi. वज्रासन में बैठी हूँ. बहुत सारे लोग ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं. और अवेयरनेस है that I'm conscious that I'm being conscious. That's awareness. That I'm aware of my state of mind, my being, which is my presence. Maybe ये थोड़े से words ही लगते होंगे, but believe me, when you can listen to yourself while you're speaking, when you can listen to yourself and you can observe yourself while you're performing an activity, that is a state of being aware. So you're attentive. आपको पता है कि अच्छा मुझे ये बोलना है, ये करना है. That is attention. But awareness means that you can visualize internally what's happening. And for any emotional and mental well-being, इन दोनों को हमें combine करना पड़ता है. So we are attentive as well as aware. The more and more aware we are, the less and less mistakes we commit in life, the more confident we become, more relaxed we become, better we become at dealing with situations in life. इसको बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये भी बोला है being in the present moment. Because generally we are never in the present moment, we are either in the past or in the future. और ये दोनों ही states हमारे को या तो a state of depression या state of anxiety में लेके जाते हैं. So to be really centered and focused, we need to be in the present moment, and that is what yoga teaches. मैं ये भी सोच रही थी मेरा जो दूसरा सेशन है 9th को, that is about muscle building muscles. तो मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी कि वो एक एस्पेक्ट ऑफ फिजिकल वेलबीइंग है, उसको निग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं आजकल की लाइफ में, लेकिन योग में जो क्षमता है, जो खूबसूरती वो इंसान को दे सकता है एट ऑल लेवल्स, तो इसको छुए बिना तो हम शायद पूरा जीवन अपना सुधार ही नहीं सकते हैं. And on this note, we'll start with by coming on all fours. So you have your knees hip distance open, और मैं अपना व्यू बदलती रहूंगी, sometimes the front view and sometimes the side view. My hands are under my shoulders, my fingers are apart, and I'm beginning to come into cat and cow. So cat and cow, मैं आज ज्यादा संस्कृत नेम्स नहीं लूंगी कि ताकि सिंपल रहे और आप लोग याद भी रख सके. So flat back है मेरी. I start with this. To come to cow, I will inhale, lift my head and my chest up, and I will drop my belly down. I will give that arch in my back. मुकेश थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक को हल्का सा 1 point बढ़ा सकते हैं, और यहां से exhale करेंगे into cat. I roll my head down, bring my chin towards my chest, and I push my back upwards. As we inhale, head chest up, tailbone extended out, belly drop down. As we exhale into cat. This is a very beautiful warm up for the back. हम एक दो बार और करते हैं. Inhale into cow. और अगर किसी के पास cats हैं as pets तो उनको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कैसे cat अपनी बॉडी को ऐसे ऊपर एक्सटेंड करती है. We push with our hands. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Beautiful. यहाँ से भी inhale, lift the right arm up, open the chest to the right. आज का सेशन थोड़ा सा strenuous हो सकता है, पर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी सबको be mindful, honor your body, जहां तक आप कर सकते हैं करिए, and exhale करते हुए right arm goes under your left arm towards the left side, such that you bring your shoulder down and your right ear down. Once you are here grounded, left arm could be extended forward. और अगर intense करना है और अपने twist को, so bring the left arm behind your back, opening the chest to the left side. So I'm sure आप लोग अपने spinal cord के अंदर, अपनी back के अंदर एक twist महसूस कर रहे होंगे, और almost for the entire back है, right from ऊपर around the neck से लेके lumbar तक. Breathe into it. So this is a stretch, it's a warm up. As we inhale, bring the left arm behind, back on the mat, and come out of it. Excellent. The other side, inhale, opening the left arm up. Look up. जहां हाथ जाता है वहीं नजर साथ साथ. Chest is open to the left side. Exhale. Bring it from under the right arm. Get your left shoulder and left ear on the mat. Extending the right arm forward and then behind. And breathe. Breathing is most powerful here. We connect to our mind. The physical body connects to the mind through the breath. The more we try to calm and pacify our breath, the calmer would be the mind. And then bringing the right arm behind, back on the mat. Inhale, come back. So जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि थोड़ा स्ट्रेनुअस हो सकता है, तो जहां तक आप कर रहे हैं और जैसे मैं आगे प्रोसीड करती जाऊंगी तो जो वेरिएशंस होंगे, द सिंपल एंड द मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स वंस, सो यू कैन स्टे एंड चूज वेयरएवर यू फील यूर कंफर्टेबल। यहां से इनहेल करेंगे, द राइट आर्म स्ट्रेच्ड इन फ्रंट। बी माइंडफुल ऑफ योर रिस्ट्स, दे आर अंडर योर शोल्डर्स। हम हमेशा अपने जॉइंट्स को स्टैक करते हैं, माय शोल्डर, माय एल्बो and my wrists all stacked in one line to support each other. So right arm niche aaye, and then we extend the left arm. सर ना ऊपर देख रहे, ना ज्यादा नीचे देख रहे, सामने नजर. Exhale down, and then now we move our leg behind. We extend the right leg back, toe pointing down. Hips को square रखेंगे. Exhale, and then the left. अब हम 4 से 2s पे प्रोग्रेस करेंगे. Exhale down. So we will extend the right arm and the left leg diagonals. Exhale. Left arm and right leg. Breathe. Smile. Focus and balance. Exhale. One more round. Right arm and left leg. जब फिजिकल एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं तो उनमें फिजिकल वेलबीइंग होता है. जब योग करते हैं तो फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आती है, बैलेंस आता है. एक्सेल, लेफ्ट आर्म एंड राइट लेग, और साथ ही साथ स्ट्रेंथ भी बिल्ड होती है. एंड देन एक्सेल. ब्यूटिफुल. यहां से मूव करते हैं. वी सिट बैक इनटू चाइल्ड्स पोज. सो यू लोअर योर हिप्स डाउन onto your heels. Maybe stretch your arms in front. Open your knees. So this is a one nice, beautiful stretch that we're going to do. Allow the head and chest to come down. Arms reaching forward. Long deep breath. Inhale, look up, bring the hands back down under your shoulders. Curl your toes. Toes को मोड़ते हुए knees को थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठाएंगे, that they are hovering over. So you're not going straight. You're hovering. Core is tight and strong. Belly button pulled in. Breathe and hold. Breathe and hold. And from here, we extend back into what is called the down dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. अगर यहाँ आने में generally hamstrings are tight, so it's slightly सीधे होते नहीं हैं legs. So what we can do, we can walk the dog, we can bend our knees one at a time. जैसे जैसे मूव करते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी और मूवमेंट आती जाती है. till you can actually come straight and breathe. Just being in this particular pose itself is it's taxing, and it does a lot of job for your heart. ऐसे ही रुकने में ही आप महसूस करेंगे कि आपका सांस, आपकी जो हार्ट बीट है वो बढ़नी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, पल्स रेट भी इंक्रीज होनी शुरू हो जाती है. Keep lowering your head, and then from here inhale, lifting the right leg up towards the ceiling. Hold and breathe. Three-legged dog. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. मैं भी थोड़ा slow ही जा रही हूँ. So we'll pick up pace. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, right leg up. Come down. Exhale, left leg up. Breathe. And bring it down. Wonderful. अगर यूं खड़े खड़े अगर थोड़ा सा भी लग रहा है कि you need to relax, anytime you can drop your knees and come down. Okay, so we are back to this down dog. अब थोड़ा सा और इसको tedious बनाते हैं. Inhale, right leg up. Bend the right knee and tap the right knee to the right elbow. Weight को आगे shift करते हैं. For 1, hold. Inhale up. Exhale. 2. One more time. Right leg up. Exhale. And 3. Right leg goes up and come down. Beautiful. Long deep breath. The other side. Inhale, left leg reaches up. Exhale, tap the left knee to the left elbow. Hold. Again, inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale up and bring the leg down. Breathe. Long deep breaths. Try to hold your left ankle with your right arm and look up towards the ceiling through your left armpit. Breathe. Exhale, come out. Left hand reaches the right ankle. Look up towards the ceiling and breathe through your armpit. और एक चीज और कहना चाहूंगी, जब हम कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं और योग तो ऑफ कोर्स इंक्लूडेड, बहुत तन मन से करनी चाहिए. Like lot of astha in it, lot of faith. You believe in it and it works magic and wonders for you. Long deep breaths. Inhale, right leg reaches up. Exhale, bring the right foot in between your hands. The right knee is bent. Hands on the mat. Right foot के दोनों तरफ. और यहां से हम, मेरा लेफ्ट पैर जो है उसकी हील उठी हुई है. Inhale, lift your arms up. Hold and breathe. Left leg is straight. Left heel is off the mat. And bring the arm down. Lower the arms. Inhale, right leg reaches up. Exhale down. क्योंकि आज के इवेंट में ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स हैं, सो मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा बहुत तो चैलेंज उनके लिए प्रेजेंट होना ही चाहिए. Inhale, left leg up. I hope I meet that. And exhale, stepping the left foot in between your hands. This time the right leg is straight and the right heel is off the mat. Inhale, arms up. So बहुत सारे लोगों को lunges का, squats का, gym, workout, fitness का शौक होता है. ये सारे योगा भी उसको cater करते हैं. Exhale. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Breathe. यहाँ से warrior series start कर रहे हैं. वीरभद्रासन. Again, inhale, right leg up. Exhale, step it in between your hands, keeping the right knee bent. And now you place your left heel also down. Inhale, lift up, arms open to the sides. Hold and breathe. Left leg straight, right knee bent. Breathe. Warrior 2. This is called Warrior 2, Veerbhadrasana 2. यहाँ से warrior को reverse करेंगे. Bring the left arm behind your back. Inhale, right arm rises up over and arch back, keeping that knee bent. Exhale. Bring your right hand either in front of the right foot or behind. जहां भी आपको ठीक लगे. Inhale, left arm rises up. Long deep breaths. So इसमें कई हम सीक्वेंस बनाते चले जाते हैं और सीक्वेंस फिर पहले राइट साइड फिर लेफ्ट साइड में फॉलो करते हैं. यहाँ से inhale, right elbow to the right thigh, left arm stretched up straight. And don't lean too much. इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं रखना है. So you're holding with the help of your thigh and your abdomen. Inhale, stretch out. Come back to center. Beautiful. To the other side. Just move your left toe to the left. And bend the left leg. Inhale, lift the arms up. Right leg is straight. Right heel is off the mat. And exhale into Warrior 2 pose. This time, the left knee is bent. Try to make a 90 degrees. Knee is over the ankle. So straight line, knee आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए, ना पीछे की तरफ. Exactly over. And breathe. Look at your left hand thumb. तो ये आसन बड़े ट्विस्टेड तो नहीं है, but they test your capacity to hold, to breathe, and bringing the right arm behind. Inhale, reverse the warrior, taking the left arm behind, arch back. As you exhale, bring the left hand close to the left foot. Inhale, right arm rises up. Look at your right hand if you can. Now bringing the left arm over your left thigh. So there's a straight line from my right fingertips till the right outer edge of my right foot. Inhale, back to Warrior 2 and straighten the leg. Excellent. Both toes pointing straight. A forward fold करेंगे with split legs. Bring your arms behind, interlock them. And then as you inhale first, arch back a little bit. And then as you exhale, lower your head and your chest down, lifting the arms up over the head, keeping the knees straight. Breathe. You can also bring your hands down, or maybe walk your hands behind. जो लोग और इसमें प्रोग्रेस करना चाहते हैं वो tortoise pose कूर्म आसन में भी आ सकते हैं by just going down the split, or you could be staying there. In order to come out, inhale, bring your hands out, and I will come back जहां से हमने स्टार्ट किया था, with head down. Inhale, look up. पैरों को थोड़ा हील टो करके थोड़ा पास लें, जो काफी दूर हो चुके होंगे अब तक स्प्लिट में. Inhale, come up. And we move on to one very interesting pose called the goddess pose. So bend your both knees. Inhale, arms also bent. Good evening, sir. मुझे भी ऐसे बीच में लगा जैसे आपने ज्वाइन किया है.
ये आपके बीच में ही हूँ, बट अपनी टीम में हूँ. I am traveling right now.
Okay. Inhale, stretch up straight. Star formation. Exhale. थोड़ा सा और आगे चलना चाहते हैं, लेफ्ट एल्बो टू द लेफ्ट थाई, इनहेल राइट आर्म अप. Come out. Right elbow here, left arm reaches up. And exhale, straighten both legs. Beautiful. Both legs together. Arms by your sides. We take a little breather. Inhale, lifting both arms up. Palms together into Tadasana. तो हाथ दोनों जो है वो जुड़े होंगे like this, and lift your, come up on your toes. Lift your arms up and come up. As you exhale, lower the arms. Inhale, come up. Exhale. This is a great, Tadasana is a great posture for bringing balance, especially increasing your focus and your concentration. So it's excellent for students जिनको लगता है कि हमारा focus नहीं बनता पढ़ाई में या जहां भी. So come up on your toes. Hold and exhale. थोड़े से balances को ही करते हैं अभी, since we have moved to balance section. अभी तक हम strength को test कर रहे थे. From here, as you inhale, lift your right leg off the mat. Bend that right knee. Just holding on one foot. Exhale, get the feel of it. And then the other. Exhale. Keep lifting. Inhale, right up. Exhale, left up. One more time. Inhale, right up. और इसको open करते हैं to the right side. And center. Relax. Beautiful. The left leg. Open it to the center. Fix your gaze at a particular spot. अगर हम अपना जो दृष्टि है वो एक जगह टिका देंगे तो ये आसान हो जाता है. Inhale, bending the right knee, holding it close to the chest. जब भी हम ये ऐसे एक टांग के ऊपर कोई भी पोजेस करते हैं तो मैं एक छोटा सा टिप देना चाहूंगी. सपोज अब मुझे लेफ्ट लेग उठाना है तो आई शिफ्ट माय वेट टू द राइट लेग, you know, talking to it. Now you have to bear the weight and lift the foot up. And exhale. Beautiful. यहाँ से हम ट्री पोज करेंगे. So we lift the right foot. अगर आप बिल्कुल इनिशियल हैं and you've not been practicing, तो आप राइट फुट को नीचे भी रख सकते हैं और राइट हील को एंकल के ऊपर टिका के और हियर ऑन योर काफ, और अगर लगता है कि और भी ज्यादा ऊपर तक बैलेंस बनाए रख सकते हैं, so you can bring it on your inner thigh and hold and breathe. Exhale, bring it down, switch to the other leg. Keep holding, keep breathing. Keep holding, keep breathing. And exhale, come out of it. Wonderful. Take 2 deep breaths. जब भी मैं कहूँ take 2 deep breaths and relax, we just stand like this with our eyes closed and just withdraw everything from outside, going back within to our breath, observing the mind, observing the being inside, trying to find where it is. All right. Few more balancing poses. The dancing Shiva, one of my favorites. From here, again shifting the weight to the right leg, bend the left leg, hold on to the ankle. Extend the right arm up, and as you exhale, lift that left leg away from your body. Inhale, come on, exhale. Beautiful. The other side. Extending the left arm, holding the foot, and exhaling. Inhale. Wonderful. From here, कुछ poses और करते हैं. One is called Malasana. Very beautiful pose. कल ही कहीं सुन रही थी मैं, और पहले भी बहुत बार हम सुन चुके हैं और जानते हैं, that your second brain is your gut. So how healthy eating and healthy eating habits are so important for your well-being. It cannot be explained anymore. और साथ में वो ये भी शेयर कर रहे थे that drink your food and chew your water. मैंने गलत नहीं बोला है. Drink your food means you chew it so many times. 32 teeth दिए हैं ना, तो 32 times minimum खाने को chew करो that it turns into liquid or semi-liquid before you take it inside. And chew your water because don't gulp it down. Especially with your bottles में हम खड़े खड़े पानी पीते हैं. That is just not okay for the knees and for your health. Holding and breathing. दोनों पैर मेरे flat हैं और यहाँ से मैं right leg को extend करूंगी. Taking it out. My left foot is flat. And then I inhale. Shift to the right. To the left. One more time. To right. Come back to center and lift up. Bring your feet together. As you inhale, lift your arms up and we move into forward fold. Exhale, fall forward. Bring your hands next to your feet. Maybe the tips of the fingers are touching. Maybe the palms are coming down. Head comes down. Knees are straight. Don't try to keep them too much bent, but अगर हल्का सा बिल्कुल 1%, 1 degree bend is good actually for the knees. यहाँ से inhale, get a flat back. Hands to your shins, flat back. Exhale. Step back into plank position. Inhale. यहाँ से आगे move करेंगे. Tap your right knee to your right elbow. Go back. Left knee to the left elbow. Back. Right. ये आपका माउंटेन क्लाइंबर की तरह ही हो गया ना एक तरह से. अष्टांग योग जो है वो जिम्नास्टिक्स एंड मार्शल आर्ट्स इस बेस से डेवलप हुआ है. Breathe. Exhale. Bring your knees down. Your elbows bent and coming down. And this is the Ashtang Namaskar, जिसके ऊपर Ashtang based है, जिस पे उसका नाम रखा गया. Inhale, slide forward, come up into Cobra. Elbows are slightly bent, elbows are tucked to your ribs, chest is open, head is up. Long deep breaths. Improve your lung activity, increase it, curl your toes, go back to down dog. Keep exhaling. Inhale, step your right foot in between your right arm and your left foot. Reach me. And exhale, fall forward to pyramid pose. इजिप्ट के पिरामिड्स पढ़े ही होंगे, वो कैसे ट्रायंगुलर शेप में होते हैं. द पिरामिड पोज. और यहां से हाथों को थोड़ा सा आगे लेके जाते हैं. We will go into a standing split. Inhale, shifting the weight on the left leg. Be mindful that there is nothing close to you. Okay, if you topple down, you don't hit anything. Breathe. Exhale, left foot down. Right foot matches the left foot. Exhale. Inhale, stepping the left foot in between your left hand and your right leg. Exhale, fall forward. Try to bring your forehead close to your shin bone of your left leg. Keeping the hips square. Buttocks remain square. Try to get the forehead down. Breathe. Walk your hands a little bit in front of your left foot. About 7-8 inches. Inhale, right leg reaches up. Exhale, bring it down. Left foot matches the right leg. Inhale, shift into plank. और यहाँ से we take our vinyasa dandasana, so the body comes down like a rod. Hold one piece and into up dog. जब up dog में तो toes बाहर खुल जाएंगे. Again, curl your toes into down dog. यहाँ से side plank करेंगे. Keeping the right hand where it is. I will just flip my body. दोनों पैरों को opening the chest, lifting the left arm up. आप ऐसे बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. एंड अगर आप और अपने को चैलेंज करना है तो दोनों पैरों को एक के ऊपर एक. If you're not able to do this, just in case, then you can bring the right leg down and you get almost a similar benefit. Bringing the left hand back on the mat, coming to plank. Plank pose is one very interesting pose because it's excellent for shedding your extra fat. Inhale, lifting the right arm up, getting your feet one on top of another. Open the chest. Breathe. You can always bring that left leg down, left knee down, and extend. Bringing the legs together, come back into plank. Exhale, chest down. Inhale into cobra. This is high cobra. You can even open your legs and try to straighten your elbows and your arms. Look back from the left. Look at your right foot. Center. Look to the right side. Look at your left foot. Center. Curl your toes into down dog. Walk towards your hands, keeping the knees relatively straight. Inhale, lift your arms up over the head, palms together, hands to heart. Exhale. This is sun salutation, Surya Namaskar. We'll do one more round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fall forward, hands down. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, come down and step back into plank. When you come down, either you can bend your knees and then come down, or you can come down straight and inhale into up dog. Up dog में आपके thighs भी off the mat है. Cobra में thighs नीचे होते हैं. Up dog में thighs are also lifted. Exhale, curl your toes into down dog. This time we'll walk our hands towards our feet. So walk back. Stay there. Bring your hands under your feet, Padhastasana. By now I'm sure your body is all warmed up. And coming to Vajrasana from here. कुछ sitting forward bends करेंगे. I think we do have a couple of more minutes. Extending the right leg in front, sitting on your left heel. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, fall forward. Try to bring the elbows close to the mat. And you can always keep coming up. So we lift karke, stretching your arms up, lift up, and then exhale. Bend from your lower back. Breathe. Yahan se, we just lift ourselves up and step the right foot down. Like this. Bring the hands next to your right foot and then push your hips back. You may lift your right toe up or continue to place it down. You can choose that. I'm sure you're feeling the intense stretch in your hamstrings of your right leg and back of the knee. Step back. Walk the right foot towards your left hand. Bring the right knee down. I think I will show a side view. Into pigeon pose. Inhale up and exhale. Come forward. I'm sure you're feeling it in your glutes. Both the gluteus maximus and the minimum. Inhale, look up. Walk your hands back. Lift your right knee off the mat. Bring the right foot and get back into Vajrasana. We'll do the same sequence with the other leg. Extending the left leg in front, sitting on your right heel. First balance, breathe. Inhale, arms reach up. And as you exhale, first suck your belly in and exhale. And with every exhalation, try to come further down, forward. Don't try to come down. Don't bring a curve in your back. Try to flatten the back as much as possible. Exhale. और मैं एक बात और बताना चाहूंगी, कई लोग कहेंगे कि ये करने में पेट बीच में आता है, तो मैंने बहुत मोटे मोटे लोगों को ये करते हुए देखा है. It is not about the pate, it is about the peat because it's the flexibility of your spine that allows you to come down. और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है it's the flexibility in your temperament. It's the mind that guides the body. So the more accepting we become in nature, the more, जिसको कहते हैं ना surrender भाव हमारे अंदर जैसे जैसे बढ़ता है, we are able to do this. I know as students आप लोग सोचते हैं surrender का मतलब क्या, अन्याय सह करे, etc etc, all the story. I'm not suggesting that at all. And inhale, lift your arms up and exhale. But हाँ, जितना हमारा शरीर strong होगा, lifting yourself, left foot flat on the mat, place your hands next to your feet and push your hips back and allow the chest to come down. जितना बॉडी स्ट्रांग होगा और माइंड स्ट्रांग होगा, उतना हम जो जीवन की जो अफ्लिक्शंस हैं, जो चैलेंजेस होते हैं, वी कैन मीट देम विद अ कामर माइंड. मैंने एक बार पूछा था सदगुरु से कि सदगुरु क्या इमोशंस यूजलेस होते हैं? मैंने कहा यूजलेस तो नहीं, बट हाँ वो न्यूसेंस जरूर क्रिएट करते हैं. और ये कहना, और इसके साथ हम लेफ्ट नी को नीचे लाएंगे, ये कहना कि हम कोई बड़े बड़े काम नहीं कर सकते, या जैसे कोई रेवोल्यूशन क्रिएट करना होता है तो हम इमोशंस के बिना भी कर सकते हैं. यू कैन बी जस्ट पैशनेट अबाउट इट और डिवोटेड टू इट, व्हिच आर लाइक इमोशंस व्हिच आर ग्रेट. इनहेल, आर्म्स अप, एक्सहेल, फॉल फॉरवर्ड. सो इमोशन का मतलब सिर्फ एंगर ही नहीं होता. A lot of our feelings, emotions, heartbreaks, it's said, are reserved, contained in the pelvic area. So ये जो stretches होते हैं, they open energies for us. जो हमारी locked energies होती हैं body में. Inhale, lift your arms up. क्यों? योगा के postures, walk करके भी बहुत benefit मिलता है, लेकिन ये जो energy का जो unlock system जो योगा में होता है, वो और किसी में नहीं है मुझे लगता है. Coming back to Vajrasana, और अब लास्ट हम स्पाइनल ट्विस्ट करेंगे. Dropping the hips to the right side, lift the left foot over your knee, left hand reaches behind close to the tailbone, right arm reaches up, let it go over your left knee and twist back. किसी ने अगर पॉपिंग सुनी हो तो मेरी बैक में भी आवाज आई थी. Suck your belly in and twist a little bit more. Look back, smile. Smiling is the best yoga. Inhale, lifting the right arm over, exhale. Coming back, dropping to the left, right knee over. Inhale, right arm behind. Stretch up. और मैं इसका एक simplified version भी अभी कराऊंगी. So bring this arm, suck your belly in, twist to the right side. हमें जीवन में योग नहीं, योग ही जीवन बन जाए. That's the aim. Exhale. Wonderful. लोटस पोस्चर किए बिना तो मुझे लगता है खत्म ही नहीं हो सकता सेशन कोई. सो लिफ्टिंग, और लोटस करने से पहले हम थोड़ा सा अपनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज कर लेते हैं. तो वी विल डू समथिंग व्हिच इज कॉल्ड रॉकिंग द बेबी. जो छोटा शिशु गोदी में पकड़ा हुआ हो, तो राइट फुट ऑन योर लेफ्ट एल्बो and wrap your arms around your right knee like this. I think you can see that I'm holding a baby, and move it to and fro. I remember one girl telling me, "Ma'am, my baby is too heavy." Try not arching back. It's not like this. Like you cannot keep moving. Keeping it straight and then feeling it in your lower back. Feel करके करना सारा impact. Even जो workout भी करते हैं जिम में, जब मसल्स बनानी होती है तब भी आपका इंस्ट्रक्टर ये कहता है फील करके करो, फील करके. फीलिंग के बिना फायदा नहीं होगा. And bring it down with the other foot And try to lift the foot up as high as the level of your forehead. Exhale, bring it down. और अब करते हैं लोटस posture, जिसके लिए काफी लोग, और उससे पहले मुझे याद है कि मैंने स्पाइनल ट्विस्ट के लिए कहा था कि मैं उसका इजी वर्जन दूंगी. So ये करने के बाद you sit with your crossed legs, because spinal twist is probably one of the healthiest poses for your entire back. So you place your right hand on the left knee. You're sitting cross-legged in your comfortable pose. Take the left arm behind, lift your spine up and twist and look back to the left. तो जिनको नीज में कई बार इशू होता है, तो जो नीज बेंड करके मैंने दूसरा वर्जन करा था उसमें थोड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है, तो दिस इज वन वे. Inhale, center, and then the other side. Inhale up. और एक forward fold तो बनता ही है. So bring your hands on the mat. Walk your hands away, bringing the chest and the forehead on the mat. Do not lift your hips up. They remain seated down. Walk your hands towards the right, center, towards the left. Take your right arm over the left hand for a more intense stretch. Come back to center. There are no shortcuts in yoga. You have to go all the way. Coming into trying the lotus. So maybe दोनों पैरों के साथ नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो we'll try with one foot. अगर काफी मुश्किल लगता है नीचे बैठना, तो cushion is a great help. So always use a cushion. हल्का सा भी, the more your spine gets lifted, so there is less pressure on your knees, and bringing the right foot close up, close to the inner thigh, and then अगर दूसरा ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं, ठीक है, नहीं तो उसको नीचे भी रख सकते हैं. This is half lotus, and most people can do this with a little practice. कई बार ये knee थोड़ा सा lifted up होता है, we can keep pressing it down. It will learn shortly. And for those who are able to bring it up, और आप चाहो तो झूला भी बना सकते हो हाथों के साथ, and you can sway and come down. और जब भी एक तरफ से करा है तो दूसरी तरफ से करना बनता ही है. So unlock your legs, and now taking the other leg first up, and then तो मैं जितने भी viewers हैं उनका धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी for being here. Thank you so much. I wish you all good health and happiness in your life. Make your lives worthwhile. Live in the present moment. That's the only thing we have. And on that note, I will conclude this session. Thank you so much. Hope to see you again. God bless you. Have a great rest of the evening or the day in whichever part of the world you are. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was indeed a mesmerizing and immensely productive session. When our life is completely entangled in the web of hectic schedule, this yoga session definitely proved a blessing for our mind, soul, and body. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining and guiding us today. The National Service Scheme, Shri Aurobindo College, is beholden and obliged to our principal, Dr. Vipin Kumar Agarwal, who always revitalized the students with his emboldened wisdom, perpetual support, and phenomenal guidance. It is indeed my cachet and prestige to invite our principal to address the gathering with his erudition and proficiency. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Ananya. Uh, I've just entered my home. I was just traveling for the last 1 hour from the college to this place. So, at the outset, first of all, I would say, like to congratulate the NSS convener, Dr. Meenakshi Chaudhary, and her team, well supported by her team members, Dr. Mukesh, Dr. Neetu, Kalpita, and many others who have been supporting her to organize this program. And the very good thing about this pandemic, I would say one of the good thing of this pandemic is that there are many talents which we are able to tap in this corona period. In the sense that our own faculty members are so talented. I knew earlier also that today's resource person, Dr. Anjali Bhattnagar, is an yoga expert. But this pandemic, through virtual mode, we have seen her efficiency and proficiency. And the way she was conducting, I was traveling in my car, and I was seeing the way she was performing yoga exercises, yoga. Really, I don't think even professional persons who are into yoga, full-time yoga, they can perform as well as the way she was performing. I'm sure her guidance and the way she used to explain about this, when to inhale, when to exhale, our students and the faculty members will be greatly benefited out of it. And one thing I can say, that the most important resource of the human being is not the money, not the wealth. It is your health only. Probably in the young age, we are not able to realize this wealth, that how important our health is for us. But at the end of the day, suppose something happens to you, you get sick, and when you are in your bed, you realize that whatever I've done in my life, it is of no use if I'm not having a good health. The point I'm making is, students, our young students who are watching this program, the NSS volunteers, for all them, I will say that make it a habit right from your right age to continuous exercise, morning walk, yoga. Keep focus on your diet, what to eat, what not to eat, because there is a close connection between your health and your even professional excellence. If you're a healthy person, if you have a good stamina, then only you will able to perform professionally also, and then only you will able to work very hard, and life expectancy has gone up. So as the life expectancy has gone up, you have to work for many, many more years. You will able to work for many, many more years only when you have good health. So I would like to congratulate the NSS, its convener, and all the members who have been involved in making this program happen. And once again, I would like to thank our resource person, our today's session, Dr. Anjali Bhattnagar, who is a very close friend of mine, in the sense that she belongs to the Commerce Department, even if she is a student and teacher of the Commerce, but she does the yoga so well that even the yoga experts cannot match her proficiency. So thanks, Dr. Anjali, for.
Thank you, sir.
And let me tell you, the participants who are participating this, that at present she's in America and she's doing all these things from America only. And I'm being told that at this time it's around 5 o'clock in America, and up to 1 o'clock in the night, she always used to connect with us for making this program happen, to discuss about the program. And right in the morning, she get up at 5 o'clock. At this point, there is a 5 o'clock in the morning in America, the city where she's living, right? And even at that time, she's ready to do good. This shows her love and affection towards the college. She is still very much connected with the students, with the teachers, with the faculty members. So thank you, Anjali, for performing such a nice yoga. And I'm sure our colleagues, our faculty members, our students, NSS team, and all others who are watching this program, who are viewing this, who are participating in this program, they must have been benefited with this session, and I'm sure the coming sessions will be as useful as today's session was. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words of wisdom. It is truly an inspiration to get these words of appreciation from you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now the floor is open for the question and answer session. So I request the participants to kindly post the questions which they have regarding the yoga session today.
Ananya, I would like to thank you. Brilliantly performed. Very
Thank you
beautifully
so much,
conducted.
ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Means a lot. I think the participants would take a few minutes to type their questions. Before that, ma'am, I have one question for you. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Please.
sure.
Sorry, Ananya, I'm just intervening you. Let me tell all the participants. This our host Ananya Banerjee. She has won at least 40-50 prizes in this pandemic period itself. I know that in whichever program she participates, all the competitors must be having the feeling that एक prize to Aurobindo College को गया. Since Ananya is performing, so Ananya, there is one prize. It's matter of chance whether she will be able to win first prize, second prize, third prize. But what I'm seeing, there are different posts through which I come to know, and she also keep me informing that at least 40 prizes she has won in this 5-6 months only in participating different events. So on behalf of the college, I thank and congratulate Ananya for bringing laurels for the college, and not only
Thank
for
you.
herself, but for the college also. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, sir. Thank you so much. This means a lot, sir. So, ma'am, I have a question for you regarding the session today. That the virtual life definitely increased our average screen time and the workload enormously, which leads to, ma'am, headache, eye irritation, and clumsiness. You already
Yeah.
talked, ma'am, the loss of concentration. So, ma'am, how we can tackle this issue? The increased
yeah.
screen time, headache, as well as loss of
Yeah.
concentration.
Okay. So I'll just very very intelligent question actually, but मैं थोड़ा सा कहना चाहूंगी कि जब पढ़ाई और मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है क्या? Because मुझे blackout. Okay, yeah. जब भी जो पहले एजुकेशन की जो प्रणाली थी वो गुरु शिष्य पद्धति थी, तो जो शिष्य था वो गुरु के घर जाता था, वहां रहता था और पढ़ाई करके और घर लौटता था, और वहां से फिर स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस बने, तो एक डिस्टेंसिंग हो गई कि वहां मिले एंड देन गो बैक. और अब ये तो और इंटरेस्टिंग कि घरों में बैठ बैठ के ही तो जो गैप बिटवीन टीचर एंड स्टूडेंट है वो और बढ़ गया. लेकिन बड़ी सरप्राइजिंग बात है कि लोग फिर से इवन वेस्ट में भी, यहाँ पर भी पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि we should go back to the same. So virtual बड़ा interesting है, new craving ये, but ultimately I think we will go back to the thing that वो contact between a teacher and student होना बहुत essential है. Being in the presence of a teacher is of utmost importance. Of course, virtual makes our life easy, but as we know, जितनी भी चीजें जीवन में जितने ने हमारी life easy करी है, it has always come at a big price. और वो प्राइस भी हम ही को ही पे करनी पड़ी है और हम कर रहे हैं. So that's the unfortunate part of having this beautiful virtual life that we have. Okay, besides this point, आपने raise करा कि headaches और ये सब. So naturally, अगर हमारी body इस तरह से बनी है कि ना तो हम उसको हर समय बैठाए रख सकते हैं या खड़ा रख सकते हैं या movement में. So there has to be change in the activity. Like अभी मैं बैठी हूँ आधा घंटा, फिर मुझे आधा घंटा खड़े होना है, फिर मुझे आधा घंटा कुछ और एक्टिविटी करनी है. I have to move my arms, my neck, my body, my legs. अगर हम सिर्फ वॉक ही करते रहें जैसे कई लोग कई माइल्स, तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. अगर हम बैठे ही रहेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगी, लेटे ही रहेंगे तो होगी, खड़े रहेंगे. नीज डैमेज होने का सबसे बड़ा रीजन है जो लोग खड़े रहते हैं, like teachers या जो काउंटर्स पे बिलिंग वगैरह कर रहे होते हैं या people like that, खड़े उनके नीज जवाब दे जाते हैं. So it is very important to keep switching between the activities. So being mindful, कभी मैं काफी देर से बैठी हूँ, so I need to move. चाहे आपका PhD का रिसर्च का थीसिस चल रहा है या जो भी चल रहा है, पर अब 1 घंटा बैठ लिए हैं तो 5 मिनट की क्विक वॉक या कुछ काम कर लिया या हिल डुल ली ऐसे. So वो जो पैटर्न हम ब्रेक करते हैं of sitting, standing or lying down and movement, that is very important. That is one thing. सेकंड थिंग, हम बैठे बैठे भी अगर नहीं मूव कर सकते, ऑफिस है और आप बार बार नहीं कर सकते या कुछ इस तरह से है, तो आप बैठे बैठे बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. जो सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेस का जो टारगेट पॉइंट है वो हमारा सर्वाइकल है. आप बैठे बैठे सिंपल नेक एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं, जस्ट रोलिंग द नेक, लुकिंग लेफ्ट एंड राइट जेंटली. कुछ नहीं तो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा एक पल के लिए गेटिंग बैक टू योरसेल्फ. द मिनट आई से आई गेट बैक टू माई सेल्फ एंड जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन योर ब्रेथ, बिकॉज ब्रेथ eases the tension out of your system. That's another way. आप अपने बैठे बैठे कंप्यूटर बैठे हो तो अपने फिंगर्स को फिस्ट बना के खोलने बंद करें, हल्का सा रिस्ट को पकड़ के मेक सर्कल्स विद योर रिस्ट. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कार्पल टनल, कितने लोगों को कितनी प्रॉब्लम्स, टेंडनाइटिस, शोल्डर, जो भी प्रॉब्लम, चाहे टेंडनाइटिस की, चाहे शोल्डर की, चाहे मूवमेंट की, एल्बो की, टेनिस एल्बो, जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उनका ओरिजिन और जेनेसिस ये है. और ये भी नहीं, उसका जेनेसिस इज साइकोसोमैटिक. सो देयर इज अ फिजिकल इलनेस एंड द मेंटल एक्टिविटी और द स्टेट ऑफ माइंड एड्स टू इट with all the emotional baggage that we carry in our lives, and that results in all these pains. So the only way to cure these pains is कि जो मन की व्याधि है, जो मन के कलेश हैं, जो मन के दुख हैं, जो मन के जो नेगेटिव विचार हैं, उनको सबसे पहले अपने सिस्टम से एक्सेल आउट करना. और उसके साथ साथ अपनी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी और डाइट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. यू बिकम व्हाट यू ईट, यू आर व्हाट यू ईट. जो खाते हैं हम वही बन जाते हैं. हम स्टेल खाना खाएंगे, हमारे विचार भी वैसे ही बासी हो जाएंगे. और ओल्ड एज जिसको कहते हैं, जिससे सब लोग डरते हैं, बुढ़ापा, दैट इज नथिंग बट व्हेन योर माइंड बिकम्स fixed in a state of pain. That fixity is old age. That fixity leads to problems and suffering. That fixity gives you this is right, this is wrong, and you're stuck to your thing. And then the body also becomes rigid and fixed. So keep the body moving. Maybe ankle rotations, बैठे बैठे leg stretches कर लिए, knee movement कर ली, bending कर ली, हल्का सा twist कर लिया in the spine. So just sitting on the chair also. मे भी एक सेशन हम चेयर योगा कभी कभी कर सकेंगे, तो जरूर करना चाहूंगी मैं कि चेयर पर बैठे बैठे कितना योगा किया जा सकता है. सो आई थिंक दैट कैन हैंडल दैट प्रॉब्लम. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड यू, अनन्या.
Yes, ma'am, for sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Also, we have one more question. This is coming from Mr. Ankit Tiwari. Ma'am, he asked that can a person having surgeries perform all postures of yoga? For instance, can a person with a back surgery perform Bhujangasana?
ये एकदम इसको यस और नो में मैं नहीं कह सकती. पहली बात तो सर्जरी को कितना टाइम हो चुका है, और सर्जरी जब भी होती है उसके बाद फिजिकल थेरेपी, जो कि मेरा अपना अनुभव है कि इंडिया में फिजिकल थेरेपी को निगेट किया जाता है, निग्लेक्ट किया जाता है. बट जितनी सर्जरी इंपॉर्टेंट है उतनी ही फिजिकल थेरेपी इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर हम फिजिकल थेरेपी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं और उतना जितना डॉक्टर एडवाइस करता है, जनरली थोड़ी अगर सीरियस सर्जरीज है तो 6 months to 1 year तक की फिजिकल थेरेपी recommended होती है, which I think if a person follows, और उसके बाद अगर वो योगा. सर आपकी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है शायद, वीडियो. ओके, या. तो द थिंग, आफ्टर फिजिकल थेरेपी आप योगा कर सकते हैं. हाँ, हो सकता है सारे आसन ना कर सके या उनकी इंटेंसिटी को थोड़ा डाइल्यूट करना पड़ सकता है, और मैं स्ट्रांगली रेकमेंड करूंगी कि किसी टीचर के सामने ही किया जाए, एटलीस्ट इनिशियली फॉर अबाउट 3 to 4 months. दैट्स मिनिमम. और दूसरी बात ये कि सर्जरी में क्या है पीछे, लाइक हर्निएटेड डिस्क है, कंप्रेशन है, लाइक क्या सिचुएशन है, उसके हिसाब से हम ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि फॉरवर्ड बेंड्स वर्जित है, like prohibited है, या backward bends prohibited है. So it depends on the surgery and the condition and the problem. So there cannot be one cure, like one thing. But yeah, आप बहुत सारी चीजें, योग 84 lakh asan and so many pranayam. तो I don't think so. बहुत सारा कुछ है जो हम कर सकते हैं. कुछ एक चीजें हो सकता है हम ना कर पाए, and that should not cause much of like thing for you. और highest yoga जो है more than the asan is pranayam. Pranayam is way above asan. So और प्राणायाम तो हर कोई कर सकता है और उसके जो benefits हैं वो तो अपार हैं. So I think yes, that's what I would like to say.
Ma'am, hopefully you have answered this question beautifully and Mr. Ankit will be satisfied with the answer. We'll take the last question for the session, ma'am, which is asked by Miss Harshika Chabra. She's asking, are there any specific yoga asanas to boost immunity as it is much needed during this pandemic?
Yeah. Actually, योग के लिए लोग अक्सर कहते हैं कि इस चीज के लिए योग, उस चीज के लिए योग, there's some back talk behind. Okay, so जैसे आयुर्वेद होता है, आयुर्वेद कभी किसी डिजीज के लिए नहीं होता है. आयुर्वेद आपके पूरी बॉडी को बैलेंस में लाता है. आपका कफ, पित्त, वात. Somebody needs to mute themselves, please. Can you hear me? Okay. So जैसे कि बताई थी कि आयुर्वेद भी कफ, पित्त और वात तीनों को बैलेंस में लाता है, जो constituents, elements of our body है, and therefore it results in well-being of the entire body. So आप ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हैं कि मुझे सिर्फ बाल लंबे करने का या पेट कम करने का, या जब हम आसन करते हैं वो होलिस्टिक होते हैं. मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी एक आसन है जो एक बॉडी को टारगेट करता है. आप कोई भी आसन करके देख लीजिए, आपकी बाजू, आपकी लोअर बैक, आपकी थाइज, आपका कुछ 4-5 अंग होते हैं बॉडी के, और सूर्य नमस्कार में तो 100% पूरी बॉडी का वर्कआउट होता है. तो ऐसा सोचना कि लाइक यू नो ये करके तो once you're practicing you get benefits for the entire body, like irrespective of कि आप कहाँ कर रहे हो क्या नहीं.
Thank you
Hello,
so much,
Harshita.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. She replies, thank you so much, ma'am, for answering. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Now I invite Miss Mehal Sinha to present the vote of thanks. Over to you, Mehal.
Thank you so much, Ananya. Gratitude is not only the greatest of others, but also the parent of all the virtue. Let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. They are the charming gardeners who make our souls blossom. A very good evening to all of you. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for such a wonderful yoga session. I, Nehal Sinha, on behalf of National Service Scheme, Sri Aurobindo College, would like to express my gratitude towards Dr. Anjali Bhatnagar, who honored this function with her presence and knowledge about yoga asanas. I would like to thank Dr. Vipin Kumar Agarwal for enlightening us with his thoughtful words. We feel really grateful, sir. I would also like to thank our NSS program officer, Dr. Meenakshi Chaudhary, and all the NSS teacher coordinators. And last but not the least, our beloved attendees. Thank you so much, everyone. Yoga is not only about bending or twisting the body. It is a mechanism that brings you in a state where you see and experience the reality just the way it is. Yoga embraces our soul and body that calms our mind. This session really motivated me, and I hope same goes for all of you. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us to make this event a grand success. And please stay tuned for session 2 to be held tomorrow on the same time, entitled Strength and Endurance. Thank you so much once again, everyone. And all the attendees are requested to fill the feedback form that is dropped in the chat box.
Before we end the yoga session for today, It is indeed our prestige and honor to have with us the senior and proficient faculty members of our college, Dr. Aprajita Chauhan, Dr. Rashmi Mathur, Dr. Anjali Arora, Dr. Meenakshi Gupta, and Dr. Shubhanjali Chopra. Thank you so much, teachers, for joining us today. I request all our teachers to kindly switch on their cameras for a virtual photograph.
Anjali, a very good session, very inspiring.
Excellent. And yeah, you keep on twisting your body just like clay, you
Yeah,
can just
it's so inspiring.
anywhere.
It was so difficult for us to do it.
Correct, abhyas.
I don't think I can even try making most of the attempts that you do.
No, everybody can. Everybody has the same potential.
एक्चुअली हमें तो परफॉर्म करते हुए देख के ही तुम्हें ऐसे लगता है कि हमारी हेल्थ इंप्रूव हो रही है
मुझे लगा कहेगी कि सांस चढ़ गया
नहीं आई ट्राइड सम
I'm kidding. आज
You're
मैंने
very
स्टूडेंट्स को
Very, very impressive.
Very nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It was mainly for the students, yeah.
Yeah, I know. हमारे एज ग्रुप तो
Thank you so much once again for joining us. Thank you so much, teachers. You always motivate us, guide us, and support us. Thank you so
अनन्या
much
अभी
once again.
स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं हुआ है बेटा अनन्या अभी 1 मिनट अभी स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहे हैं सर यस
Okay. I have taken few of them, ma'am.
Okay, that's good.
Ma'am, it's taken, ma'am. We can.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू
Thank you so
टू
much, ma'am.
ऑल थैंक यू
Thank you,
थैंक यू
everyone.
अपराजिता
Thank you.
मैम मीनाक्षी मैम
Especially
सुभाषिनी
Anjali
मैम
Anjali
अंजलि
Bhatnagar,
मैम थैंक यू
Thank you so much. Just one thing, let's gear up for the
थैंक यू
coming
अंजलि
session.
थैंक यू सो
The
मच
muscle.
Oh yes,
Let's
geared
cheer
up.
up for Anjali.
For the muscle factory. Everybody should be there. ये मत सोचना वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वो सबके लिए
हाँ बिल्कुल.
उस दिन और मजा आएगा.
यस
Okay,
अंजलि
looking forward. And also to your chair asanas.
Yeah, the chair yoga.
Yeah, the chair yoga. Bye.
एक बेड योगा भी क्रिएट करूंगी मैं.
हाँ क्या?
बेड योगा भी क्रिएट करूंगी. With no hidden meanings, please.
Bed yoga is best.
Okay then, bye-bye. Take care.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
बाय
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Avnish, I
Meenakshi.
think
Bye.
now
we can
Avnish,
finish.
thank you so
Bye.
much.
थैंक
Most
यू
welcome.
अंजलि थैंक यू सो मच
Bye, Nanya. Bye, Mukesh. Thank you so much music play करने के लिए.
Thank you.
And thank you, Prajita, for your kind words.
Bye, Anjali.
All of
Thank
them.
you so
Akriti,
much.
how are you?
Very encouraging, madam.
Thank you, Rashmi. Subhanjali, Anjali. मैंने किसी को मिस कर दिया होता है सॉरी मैं अक्सर किसी को मिस कर देती हूँ
Hello.
हेलो क्या ओके अनीश रखे
Yeah.